Hi friends, welcome to Sarkandron LDC classes. In this class we are going to see some questions related promotions or selections. Okay, let us start the class. Seniority is not affected due to transfer administrative ground. True. Seniority of an employee will not affect due to his own request transfer. False. Currency of panel for selection post is from the date of approval of the competent authority. Total marks for oral in trade test is 40 marks. Excluding some post, Viva course has been abolished from which date? 7th August 2003. Minimum passing marks for oral in trade test is 15 marks. For Group C selection, the minimum residency period in lower grade is 2 years. Currency of panel is 24 months. Minimum qualifying service is 2 years in Group D to C selections. As per 6th pay commission, minimum increment is 3% of basic plus grade pay. Minimum residency period for promotion is 2 years. 3 maximum number of financial upgradation is granted under MACP. Option can be exercised within 1 month for fixation of pay on promotion. True. Candidates can take away the question paper after written exam in selection or LDC. True. Physically disabled employees are being discriminated in promotions. False. Anticipated vacancies for next 12 months are considered for non-selection post. True. In non-selection post, employees are called as per 3 times of vacancies. False. Senior clerk is a selection post. False. Anticipated vacancies of next 12 months considered in selection process. False. Other promotion is banned on Central Railway. True. If employees refuse promotion, he will be debarred from promotion for a period of 2 years. False. Members in selection board should be at least 3. For selection post, anticipated vacancies should be taken up to 15 months. Since when post base roster are implemented? 21st August 1997. How many marks should be obtained for scheduled caste tribe candidate to pass 40 marks in the merit test in the trade test? 11. What is the minimum number of marks for promotion under the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes based among failure? 20%. What is the percent of seat reserved for backward class in recruitment? 27%. What percentage of seats are reserved for OBC for promotion? Nothing. How much percentage of SC/ST candidates are reserved while recruitment? 15% and 7.5% respectively. In case SC/ST candidates is not available for the reserved post of SC/ST in the roster, can it be given to other employees? False. Is reservation rule applicable to the promotion on the ex-cadre post? False. If any candidate has got a total marks of 59 from the 100 marks and if the junior gets 65 marks, then which employee will be kept on the panel? Junior employees based on merit digits. How many opportunities will be given again when the SC/ST trainee apprentice fails in the initial training? 2 occasions with a stipend and the third opportunity is without a stipend. To what extent relaxation in percentage of marks is given for reserved post in the examination for safety posts? No relaxation for percentage of marks is given for safety posts. What is the minimum pass mark fixed for reserved post in the examination for senior clerk? 40%. What percent of vacancies is reserved for ex-serviceman for the release of Group C? 10%. Is the general manager competent of declaring a post clerical or a non-clerical? No, the railway board. Who has the power to relax recruitment criteria? Railway board. What are the maximum marks for oral exam in the trade test and how many minimum marks are required for passing? 40 maximum, 15 respectively for pass mark. How many months vacancies are calculated for the selection and non-selection post? 15 months and 12 months. Can DRM relax the written exam for the post controlled by him? False. If the employee who opts for his salary fixation after 1 month from the date of promotion, then who is capable of waiving the option delay to refix his salary? None. Under which rule is the salary fixation on promotion? 1313 of Railway Second. What are the conditions for promotion to the post of MCM, service in grade 1 for 2 years? Under which rule of IREM the wrong assessment and wrong promotion can be corrected and how will the salary of that period be determined? Para 228 of IREM and pro forma fixation. If no action is taken on the notice of voluntary retirement of an employee, then he cannot be retired from his service. No, he can be retired even the notice period is completed. During the declaration of panel for promotion, if the employee who is selected on panel for the post of TC and after giving 2 opportunities does not succeed in the training, then what action should be taken? Name will be deleted from the panel. What is the maximum age up to which a guard is eligible for promotion as section controller in level 6? 48 years. What is the maximum age limit for employees who can appear for the post of CPS, CGS, CBS against 10% LDC quota? 40 years. What is the date of effect of getting the benefit of at least 3% on promotion? 1st January 2006. When and how are the increment payable to all? July 1st or January 1st must be a minimum of 6 months of service. Is there a rule for seniority of non-gazetted employees in paragraph 301 to 327 of chapter 3rd in IREM volume 1? True. Under which rule is seniority of medically decategorized employees who is merged in other cadre determined? Para 313 of IREM volume 1. Under which rule seniority of a medically decategorized employees who met in accident while on duty who is merged in other cadre determined? His seniority will be determined from the grade pay. He was medically decategorized and GP he was promoted. If incumbents are not available in reserved categories for a particular post, can a general candidates be called for selection? False. After the approval of the general manager on the recommendation of panel selection committee of group B, any amendment of or change in the panel will be done with approval of railway board. For selection to an ex-cadre post, anticipated vacancies should be taken up to 2 years. Who should be grade of the officer in the selection board for the level 6 and above selection post? Except SC/ST, JAG JAG officer or junior administrative pay scale officer. After declaring the panel, if the procedural irregularity or other errors are found and such panel is considered necessary to cancel or revise the panel, who is the competent authority to approve the same? Approval of the next higher authority. In the case of those posts for which pre-promotion program has been prescribed, how many opportunities are given to the employee to pass the course on administration expenses? 3 occasions. What should be the minimum difference between the 2 trade test exams? 6 months. After failing in trade test, when can an employee appear for the trade test again? After 6 months. What is the basic of grade 2nd promotion or to technician grade 1? On the basic of CR service record. Is there a provision of written examination for selection of passenger guard or only oral examination? Pre-promotional written test. Can the dresser working in the medically department be included in the selection of clerk? False. For how many months are anticipated vacancies calculated for the post filled on service record? Confidential reports, 12 months. In the selection of level 2, can the personnel officer, junior scale, be member of the selection committee? No, only in the selection of level 1. Can an employee be disqualified for promotion on average CR basis? False. What level officer will the selection committee constitute for promotion quota for clerk in level 2? Senior scale officer. How many marks are required in the practical examination to pass the trade exam? 36 out of 60. How many percent marks is mandatory for the general caste candidates to pass the senior clerk level 5? 50%. The training period prior to the appointment is to be counted for which purpose? Mandatory service condition for selection in salary increments, pensions, passes, LDC. How will the posting be made to give out a standing sportsman and out of turn promotion in intermediate grade? The difference between the initial pay scale and the intermediate pay scale will be kept blank by the matching surrender. Who has the power to dissolve the RRB panel of division? General manager. What is the maximum period of final currency in case of direct recruitment? 1 year. Reservation for SC/ST in railway recruitment is 15% and 7.5% respectively. Selection committee should consist of 3 officers. The committee for selection to post up to level 5 should consist of senior scale officer. In case of non-availability of officer of a specified grade for selection to post in level 5 and below, the shortfall should be made good with junior scale officer. In case of non-availability of officer of a specified grade for selection to post in level 6 and above, the shortfall should be made good with senior scale officer. Inclusion of SC/ST officer in selection committee is necessary even if only general candidates are in zone of consideration to fill up unreserved vacancies. False. When there are only 3 members in a selection committee, none of the officer can be subordinate to the other officer. True. The assessment of vacancies for selection post within the cadre will include anticipated vacancies of the next 15 months. The assessment of vacancies for ex-cadre post will include anticipated vacancies of the next 24 months. The condition of 2 years of minimum service has to be satisfied at the time of actual promotion. Eligible staff up to 3 times the number of vacancies will be called for selection. Candidates expressing unwillingness should also be knocked in the zone of consideration for appearing in selection. False. When candidates under zone of consideration for appearing in selection express unwillingness, additional candidates in lieu thereof should be called. True. If candidate under zone of consideration for appearing in selection who has not expressed unwillingness does not appear in the selection, supplementary selection has to be conducted. In respect of general selection post, that is those outside normal channel of promotion or which are filled from staff of different department or categories, number of eligible staff appearing in the selection will be without restricting the number. 100% objective test for selection have been introduced via Railway Board letter dated 14 December 2018. As against negative marking, 1/3 mark allotted to each question will be deducted for wrong answer. Negative marking will not be applicable for selection is for post where Impanelment is in order of seniority. In the question paper of examination conducted for selection, question for about 10% of the total marks allotted should be official language policy and rules. For general selection, that is those outside normal channel or of promotion and which are filled from a staff of different department or categories, no marks are to be awarded for seniority. Relaxation in passing marks to extent of 10% of total marks is applicable for the SC/ST candidates. When a selection is notified for only your vacancies, the relaxation in passing mark is applicable for SC/ST candidates. False. The provision of selecting best among failed SC/ST candidates may be applied only when the selection is for non-safety post and sufficient number of SC/ST candidates are not available against the SC/ST vacancies even after applying relaxed standard. Okay friends, here some questions regarding our exams has been discussed, which is very necessary for our exam purpose. Okay, thank you.